Travel vlogging is becoming increasingly common to document vacations, encourage others to travel, and generally keep up with the nomadic lifestyle. This article will provide you with the top 10 strategies for making travel vlogs that will appeal to viewers worldwide. Starting from Number 10. Plan your content in advance. When it comes to producing engaging travel vlogs, planning is critical. Before you even book your tickets, spend time researching your destination. Understand its culture, history, landmarks, and local attractions. This will help you identify key points of interest to include in your vlog. Next, outline a loose script or storyboard. You don't need to plan every second, but a general idea of the narrative arc can help you capture the necessary footage. Remember, your goal is to tell a story, not just showcase a series of unrelated clips. Finally, consider the logistics. Check the local laws regarding drone usage if you plan to use one. Also, think about how you will transport your equipment and how to protect it from damage or theft. Pre-planning these details can prevent headaches and ensure a smooth vlogging experience. Number 9. Invest in good quality equipment. A successful travel vlog relies heavily on the quality of its visuals. High definition, crisp, and steady footage can significantly enhance viewer engagement. Investing in a good quality camera that can deliver professional-grade videos is a must. Consider also a lightweight tripod or gimbal for stabilization, especially for those scenic landscape shots or time-lapses. Drones can provide spectacular aerial footage, but remember to check local regulations. Audio is equally important. An excellent external microphone can help you capture clear sound, improving the overall quality of your vlog. Lastly, bring plenty of memory cards and backup batteries. You wouldn't want to miss capturing an unforgettable moment due to lack of storage or power. Number 8. Learn basic video editing. Good editing can make or break your vlog. It's the process that turns your raw footage into a captivating story. Learning the basics of video editing, from cutting and sequencing clips to adding music and transitions, is crucial. Start by choosing an editing software that suits your needs. Some popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and for beginners, eMovie or Windows Movie Maker. There are plenty of tutorials online to help you master these tools. Editing is also the stage where you can enhance your footage. Color grading can help you create a consistent aesthetic for your vlogs. Adding text, graphics, or animations can also enliven your content. Remember, less is often more. Avoid over-editing, which can distract from your content. Number 7. Engage with your audience. To establish a loyal following, it is essential to engage with your audience actively. Fan base. This can be done in several ways. First, interact with your viewers by responding to comments on your videos. Show appreciation for their support and consider their feedback. Second, involve them in your journey. Ask for their suggestions on places to visit, foods to try, or challenges to undertake. This makes them feel part of your adventure and encourages more interaction. Lastly, be consistent with your postings. Regular updates keep viewers returning for more and can help you build a steady audience. It also shows commitment and professionalism, traits that viewers respect and appreciate. Number 6. Be authentic. Authenticity is what sets you apart from the rest. Your unique perspective is what makes your travel vlog attractive to your viewers. So be yourself and share your genuine experiences, thoughts, and feelings. Don't shy away from showing the realities of travel. Not everything has to be picture perfect. If you encounter challenges or mishaps, share them. These moments can be relatable and can add depth to your vlog. Also, respect the local culture and environment. Show your audience the real essence of the places you visit, rather than just the touristy facade. Promoting responsible and sustainable travel can also build a positive image for your vlog. Number 5. Use good storytelling techniques. Good storytelling is crucial to maintaining viewer interest. Start with a compelling introduction that grabs attention. It could be a captivating scene, a question, or a teaser of what's to come. Then, structure your vlog in a way that maintains a narrative flow. It could follow your day chronologically or be themed around a particular activity, experience, or place. Use varied shots wide, medium, close-up to keep the visuals interesting. Finally, end with a conclusion or reflection. Sharing your thoughts or emotions can add a personal touch and make your vlog more relatable. It also provides a satisfying wrap-up for your viewers. Number 4. Master your camera settings. Understanding your camera settings can significantly improve your footage. Discover the fundamentals of photography by understanding aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and white balance. These can affect your video's brightness, depth of field, motion blur, and color. Experiment with different settings to achieve various effects. A slow shutter speed, for example, can create smooth motion blur for moving water or lights. A wide aperture can blur the background, focusing attention on your subject. Also, learn to adjust your settings to different lighting conditions. Shooting in manual mode is the way to go for the ultimate control over your footage. However, most cameras also offer semi-automatic or automatic methods, which can be handy for quick shots or when conditions constantly change. Number 3. Highlight local experiences. Travel vlogs are not just about showcasing beautiful places. They are also about immersing your audience in unique cultural experiences. Make an effort to include local customs, traditions, food, festivals, and interactions with local people in your vlog. Exploring off-the-beaten-path locations can also make your vlog more interesting. It's not just about visiting the most famous landmarks, but also about discovering hidden gems. Show your audience something they haven't seen before. Remember to always approach local culture with respect and sensitivity. Avoid perpetuating stereotypes or making inappropriate jokes. Instead, aim to educate your audience and promote understanding and appreciation of different cultures. Number 2. Optimize your videos for SEO. It would help to make your videos easy to find to grow your audience. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the solution to your needs. Start by doing keyword research to understand what potential viewers are searching for. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner or YouTube's Search Suggest feature can help. To optimize your video searchability, incorporate these keywords into your title, description, and tags. However, avoid keyword stuffing. Ensure your title and description are still readable and engaging. To better achieve your objectives, include subtitles or closed captions in your video content. To complete your goals, this not only makes your content accessible to a broader audience, but YouTube also indexes these for search. Finally, encourage viewer engagement. Likes, comments, shares, and watch time all contribute to your video's YouTube ranking. Number 1. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other vloggers can be a great way to expand your audience. You get to tap into their viewership, and they get to tap into yours. This can be done through guest appearances, shoutouts, or creating content. Contact vloggers who share similar interests or are located in your travel destination. Remember to approach them with a specific proposal and explain what's in it. Collaborations are also a great way to learn from other vloggers. You can pick up new techniques, get insights into their workflow, and gain inspiration for your vlog. Remember, travel vlogging is not just about creating content, it's also about building connections with your audience and fellow creators. In conclusion, creating a successful travel vlog requires planning, good quality gear, video editing skills, audience engagement, authenticity, storytelling, camera skills, local experiences, SEO, and collaborations. It may seem daunting at first, but you'll find your stride with practice and perseverance. Travel vlogging is a journey of discovery, both of the world around us and our creative potential. By implementing these top 10 tips, you'll be well equipped to create compelling content to inspire, educate, and entertain your viewers as they embark on these virtual journeys. Happy vlogging! And that's all for today. Remember to subscribe. See you tomorrow.